a super quick, super easy recipe. We're taking Hawaiian sweet rolls and we're turning them into Cuban sliders. For our first ingredient, we have Dijon mustard, we have sliced pickle, we have butter, strips of ham, Swiss cheese, oregano, and fresh thyme, and 1 package of Hawaiian sweet rolls. This first step is gonna save you a lot of time. When you remove your Hawaiian rolls out of the package, keep them together. We're gonna take it, we're gonna butterfly them in half all together at the same time. Here we go. Butterfly it all the way through. Just like this. Bam. Now we're gonna take the tops and we're gonna put them to the side. Okay, our bottoms are placed onto a cookie sheet. First step, we're gonna take our Dijon. You're gonna rub it all over. Then, lay out your ham strips. Then your pickles. Cheese on top of the pickles. That way the pickles don't burn in the oven and the cheese will melt nicely over everything. We're gonna place this into the oven, get the cheese completely melted and everything all warmed up. Our oven is preheating at 350 degrees. Now we're going to do our prep for our herb infused butter. So we finally chop these. Alright, so drop your butter into the pan on a low heat. All we're gonna do is melt this butter completely down, and then we're gonna add our herbs. We don't wanna add our herbs right now because they're gonna burn. So melt your butter, then we add our herbs. Okay, butter's fully melted. I'm gonna cut off my heat. I'm gonna add my herbs, and I'm basically gonna just let those sit in that butter and slowly carry over all their flavor. Heat's completely cut off. $350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Here's what you got. Now we're gonna place those lids on top very carefully. You wanna keep them together. Drop it right on top. And then take your herb infused butter and I'm gonna just spoon it across the top. Drizzle it like this. We're gonna place these back into the oven just for about 2 minutes to fully heat up the top buns. Sliders are out of the oven. Transfer them from your baking sheet over to a cutting board. And I'm gonna show you why we're so particular on keeping everything all together. We're gonna take our knife and we're gonna run it down these lines here and here, and it's basically gonna cut everything for us, and the sliders are gonna be completely done. Totally faster way of doing it. And that's how you make quick, easy Cuban sliders sexy.